Hi everyone, Bob here again. I would like to show you about one of the many exercises we're conducting for the training on the operation of the forklift truck. In this exercise, the trainee will try to drive the forklift by entering and exiting the narrow aisles. This is his first day on the training ground, thus the difficulty of doing it. But anyway, he's got the 5 days to learn everything about operating a forklift. But as we do the exercise over and again, the trainee will get familiarized with the maneuvering exercises. The trainee will enter the aisles in reverse, make a stop, then enter the aisles. The trainee is taking some time to decide which direction to turn the wheel, whether to go for clockwise direction or counterclockwise. The trainee is not familiar with the steering wheel as he has not experienced driving a car. But this is no big deal because majority of our trainees are all inexperienced in driving any vehicle anyway. The technique on turning on a 90-degree turn is to put the fulcrum, which is located on the center of the front wheels, and be aligned or right in front of the middle of the aisles, and stop the forklift right there. And the distance of the forklift would be at least 1 meter from the edge of the aisles to have enough room for maneuvering and entering the aisles. This technique is not like the car where the car has to turn on a curve to enter a junction. The car is taking a lot of space when turning in a right angle, unlike the forklift. Another important thing to learn in this exercise is the observation of the trainee while maneuvering and backing up, because we're letting the trainee drive in reverse the entire exercise. This is for these guys to get used to driving in reverse, especially when their forklift is loaded with cargo, and this is actually happening in actual operation of the forklift in the warehouse. Again, the trainee seems confused and still undecided where to turn the forklift to. This is understandable because this is the first time the trainee has done this activity, but he will soon learn. Most of the issues with the trainees is the steering wheel. They're having hard time thinking about where to turn the steering wheel. The trainee will not drive in reverse back to the starting point where he's gonna park the forklift. The trainee is now reversing to park the forklift, and another trainee will take over and do the same exercise. They are doing it alternately until getting familiar with this exercise and move to the next one. I hope you like this training video, and thank you for watching. Until the next video, thanks.